Keep it steady, looking good. Yeah, it's moving. All right, time for the overhaul.
Yeah.
Getting the engine sorted. The time for some body work. All done, perfect.
All right, stubborn, let's hit it with some penetrant. There we go, finally. Moving. Time to get rid of this grime and make it look new.
Yeah.
Moving into the tricky spots here, almost done.
Yeah.
There it is, factory fresh. Perfect.
All right, new lines are in. Just need to check the pressure and we're good to go.
All right, just a bit more pressure here. Settling nicely. Checking the seal now, looking good.
Get to the still